Well, we are live in the heart of Houston, Texas, and one of the fellows who's lived in Houston many, many years is the governor of the great state. How about a round of applause for Governor Greg Abbott? Good morning, Governor. Great to have you.
All right. Welcome to Texas. Welcome to Houston.
Thank you very much. Let's talk a little bit about what's going on. First up, because law is your business, you went to law school, you were a judge, all that stuff. What do you think of President Trump's pick of Neil Gorsuch as Supreme Court Justice to replace Antonin Scalia?
It's a huge pick, an important pick, and a great pick. I argued before the United States Supreme Court when I was the Attorney General of Texas. I argued before Antonin Scalia, and he was a masterful jurist. It was essential that Trump appoint someone who could follow in the footsteps of Justice Scalia. I think he picked the right guy to do that.
What about the Democrats' political play where it's like, he's going to need 60 votes, which is something they've never done before?
Well, one thing that happened, of course, is the way that Harry Reid went about business of the nuclear option. I think this is going to backfire on the Democrats. I think that one way or the other, this pick will be confirmed.
Also, the Democrats are saying, look, you guys didn't give President Obama's choice, Merrick Garland, a vote in the last 9 months. But then again, there's this thing called which is an inconvenient truth, the Biden rule, which says in the last year of a presidency, you don't necessarily have to vote on somebody for the Supreme Court.
For one, we got the Biden rule, but more important than that, we got the people of the United States of America. We have a 4-4 tie on the United States Supreme Court. So many cases are not being decided because of that 4-4 tie. This position has to be filled now before the end of this term of the Supreme Court so that decisions can be made, so the future of America can be decided.
We talked to you, I think, about a week ago about what's going on in the county where Austin is, and that is the sheriff has declared it a sanctuary city, and you don't like it.
Right. We have the Texas tussle in Travis County.
Texas tussle.
And listen, no one, especially in law enforcement, gets to pick and choose which laws they will apply, which laws they will abide by. And we are having now the Travis County Sheriff saying she is not going to enforce certain laws. There are dangerous people she is letting out of jail who are compromising the safety of the people of the state of Texas. We are not going to tolerate. We're going to force the rule of law. I've already withheld money from the Travis County Sheriff's Office because of what they've done. Now we're going to hammer down even tougher penalties with bills we're working on as we speak.
Okay. Also, I understand the new Department of Homeland Security Secretary, you toured the border with General Kelly,
right?
Who says it sounds like we could have a border wall within 2 years.
And they're working on it even more aggressively than that. Had a great visit. We toured the part of the Rio Grande Valley that's almost serpentine in shape, and he realized both the challenges, but what could be done down there in the sector that's the most vulnerable right now. And he's ready to get going immediately.
I read a report yesterday that said that Border Patrol agents for the last couple of years have been demoralized. Now, with the order from on high that they're going to crack down on the border, people are happy again in the Border Patrol.
They are fired up. The Border Patrol was there. They are fired up. They are ready to go to work. They're going to be unleashed from the sidelines and get their job done.
A lot going on here in Texas. Governor, thank you very much. Round of applause for your governor. Very nice.